Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to painting and drawing easy guide. Start by organizing your materials and clearing a small workspace so you can focus. Place tools within reach, set up a light source, and tape down paper if needed. Warm up with 5 to 10 quick sketches to loosen your hand and observe shapes. Keep a small reference nearby and remind yourself that simple steps build confident practice over time. Start with contour and gesture exercises to see form rather than lines alone, then practice value studies to read light and shadow. Sketch basic shapes and break objects into circles, squares, and triangles to simplify complex subjects. Explore 1-point and 2-point perspective with a clear horizon line and vanishing points to create believable space. Repeat short daily drills and review progress weekly to build consistent improvement without pressure. When moving into paint, begin by blocking in broad color masses and values to establish composition quickly. Choose a limited palette to learn mixing and avoid muddiness, and mix enough paint for consistent patches. Build paint layers from thin washes to richer, thicker strokes, allowing drying time between major passes. Keep brushes clean and use varied brush sizes for texture, and step back often to judge overall balance and color relationships.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.